Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the effect of temperature and pressure on the matter. We have familiar with the matter and state of matter and characteristic of matter. First I will ask some question. Can anyone tell me if ice is under which state of matter? Liquid, solid, gas. I hope your answer is it's under the solid state. Okay. Next question. Can anyone tell me what happened if we start ice heating on a low flame? I hope you will give an answer, ma'am, it's melt. Yes. And any another change in the ice. That time you will give me the answer, ma'am, it is also change in the state. First it is a solid, but after under certain temperature it change into the liquid, means it change from solid to liquid. That's why in which a state of matter is also change. Okay, why the state of matter is change? With the temperature or pressure or both? In this topic we have discussed effect of temperature and pressure on the matter. Effect of temperature on the matter. Temperature has a direct effect on whether a substance exists as a solid, liquid or gas. Increasing the temperature turns solid into liquid and liquid into gases. Temperature is directly proportional to the any matter, whether it is a solid, liquid or gas. If we raise the temperature, if we increase the temperature, solid is changed into liquid. If in liquid state we raise the temperature, it change into gas. That's why means we say temperature is directly proportional to the temperature. Increasing the temperature of solid, the kinetic energy of the particle increases. Due to increases in the kinetic energy, the particles start vibrating with the greater speed. The energy supplied by heat overcomes the force of attraction between particles. The particles leave their fixed position and start moving more freely. A stage is reached when the solid melts and is converted to a liquid. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at a temperature pressure is called its melting point, and the liquid tend to expand when their temperature increases. Okay, in this paragraph, tell when we increase the temperature of the solid, the kinetic energy of the particle increases. In the solid, first particle is in potential energy. First we discuss what is kinetic energy and what is potential energy. When any molecule of the matter is under movement, that time we say it is under the kinetic energy. Or if it stay on one place, not move from one place to another place, that time we call it is under the potential energy. When we increase the temperature, the molecule is under the kinetic energy. They vibrating with the greater speed. They change their position. The force of attraction between the particle is also less, in which the intermolecular forces between the two particles is breaks. That's why the solid matter is changed into a liquid. In third line, we read the temperature at which a solid melt to become a liquid at the temperature pressure is called melting point. Main point in this line is melting point. What is melting point? The temperature at which solid melt. When solid is changed into a liquid, that temperature is called melting point. Here This picture show temperature effect on the matter. If solid is under the temperature, it change into a liquid state, and if liquid is changed rising the temperature, it change into the gases. In this picture show phase change happen as the temperature changes. When liquid is changed into gas, that is called evaporation, and when gas is changed into a liquid, that is called condensation. When liquid is changed into a solid, that is called solidification. When solid is changed into a liquid, that is called melting point, which is we earlier discussed. It is a change of position and changes the state of matter from one to another. Liquid to gas, gas to liquid, and liquid to solid. Effect of temperature on the matter. If the pressure above a liquid is increased sufficiently, the liquid forms a solid. Change in pressure have very little effect on the volume of the liquid. Liquids are relatively incompressible because any increase in pressure can only slightly reduce the distance between the closely packed molecule. If the pressure above the liquid is decreased sufficiently, the liquid forms a gas. Gases are compressible because on applying pressure, the space between the gaseous particle decrease. Therefore, gases can be compressed easily. When we increase the pressure on the matter, its volume is changed. Its volume is less for the first one state. In this picture, we see gas example. In first container, the molecule of the gas is very far from each other. When we applied 1 kg weight or pressure on the gas, they change their volume, they less, and also the space between the molecule is also less. When we apply 2 kg mass on the gas, it is changed into the liquid, because in this picture the molecule of adapt the shape of the liquid state. Effect of temperature on the matter. With the pressure is increased, the weight of the will also increase. In first diagram, the gas molecule is spread in the container, but when we provide some pressure, the gas molecule go towards each other. In last, the molecule is very close to each other. Here is the link to describe the more effect of temperature and pressure on the matter. Thank you.